Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. Today is a video that's been more than a year in the making. I purchased these candles back in, I think, early 2025, and I was waiting until I started filming again. So I did not use them up because I knew I wanted to talk about the company, and I saved them for a time such as this. These are hand-poured coconut wax candles. The company is based in the Mid-Atlantic region where I live. The owners are veterans, and the company has beautiful candle names that are inspired by their nautical travels, and I just love everything that they represent. The company is Fairwinds Candle, and these are two of the fragrances that I purchased. Now, it was like an outdoor vending event, and they had one of the booths there. I had a chance to talk to one of the owners, and she was lovely. And I really liked all of them, but I had to keep it to a minimum because, as you all know, I love to buy a thing. So I kept it to just 2 mini candles, and I love the fragrances. Unfortunately, this one is not available on the website at this time. I'll still talk about it, but I won't spend a whole lot of time on it because I can't give you a link to purchase if you're interested. However, this one they do still have. So let's talk about the candles a little bit. First, this scent that is currently unavailable is Ship's Laundry. It has notes of lemon, clean linen, and light musk. Now, this one is just what it sounds like. It's crisp, it's clean. It's got just a tad bit of spice from the musk, but it's not a warming spice. It's more of a neutral spice. Very, very nice scent. Perfect, and I do mean perfect, for pretty much any common space because it does just smell like cleanliness. I love this one. This one I actually like a little bit better than Holiday Leave. But of course, I can't spend a lot of time talking about this because it's not currently available. This is, if it should return, I advise highly that you get it. If you like a clean, fresh scent to put in your space, this is perfect for a restroom. This is perfect for a common area such as even a kitchen or a living room area, even a guest bedroom. Actually, not even a guest bedroom, especially a guest bedroom. This is wonderful because it just reinforces the smell of a clean space. I absolutely love Ship Laundry, and it does remind me of some of the clean fragrances. You know how they have those ones that smell like warm cotton, shower fresh, all of those. Clean the company. This smells like something that could have come out of their factories. Absolutely amazing. This one, like I said, not currently available. However, if it should come back, I will get a big one because I love this in my great room. It is a smaller candle, as you can see. I should tell you the size. It's 2 ounces, and both of these retail for $10. When I was at the event, I got them for a little less, I believe, because, of course, they were running a special for buying things in person. That being said, I loved how well it performed even as a small candle. It did not do the entire room. It's small. But when you got within about, I would say 10 feet of it, you could certainly smell it. And it is fresh. It is clean. It is bright. It is absolutely perfect for the spring and summertime. However, if you just like a clean smell all year round, this scent would be great any season, truly. Now, I said I wasn't going to spend too much time on that because it's not available, and I plan to keep my word. The next scent is Holiday Leave. It has notes of orange peel, cinnamon, clove, and pine. Now, based on those notes, you already know this is giving wintertime, and Holiday Leave was your first clue, right? The name itself tells you you can expect some wintry notes. However, for this to have such wintry notes, this is extraordinarily clean as far as fragrance too. This is only faintly spicy, just like the other one. It's not too overwhelmingly spicy. The orange peel is not overwhelming as well. It is very uplifting without becoming too fruity. It is slightly woody. It is clean. It has a tad bit of spice, but like I said, not too much. This one, and by the way, of course, I have used both of these. This one is a little bit harder to see, but I absolutely adored this during the winter as we went from 2025 to 2026, because of course I bought this at the front end of 2025 when it got cold again. This was lovely to burn, but it still retains, even though it's got the pine, even though it's got the clove, it still retains the kind of freshness that could play really well during the spring, and I would say even the summer too, because orange to me does have a lot of summeriness to it. So you could definitely make this work all year round. But if we are talking strictly notes and strictly what you can expect from these notes, it is giving winter just based on the notes alone, not really leaning too heavy into how my nose interprets it. Okay. So if you're someone who's a bit of a traditionalist, you like your pine in the winter, then this is going to be a winter scent that's going to work really well. It's also not going to compete with a lot of other scents. I love a fragrance that is a strong supporting character in an environment and it doesn't take over. I have some great candles that absolutely will be the star in a room. But if you've got family coming over, if you just need something to brighten a space scent wise, if you just want something that adds a little extra without doing a lot of show stopping, these are really good because not every occasion requires a showstopper scent. Sometimes you just want a scent that supports the main action that's happening in the room. And these are perfect for that. They have lovely packaging, really nice and simple, so that if you put it in a guest room, you don't have to worry about whether or not it's going to compete with your decor. It's very, very simple in design, and the scents themselves are just good scents, perfect for a space when you know you want it to have something extra. But like I said, you don't want something that is going to take over the room scent-wise. I love them both. Definitely good for a bathroom, good for a bedroom, particularly a guest bedroom, good for common areas. These are the smaller sizes. They do have larger candles. So if you like the scent profiles as I described for holiday leave, then you can look at the other sizes. They also offer room sprays and wax melts for their scents. So let's say you're someone who cannot burn a candle, but you like the way this scent sounds, you can get the room spray. You can get the wax melts if you have a candle warmer or a wax melter. You can get all of those things through their website. And if you know, hey, I can burn a candle, but I want a bigger one, they've got bigger candles for you. So that is Fairwinds Candle Company. Highly, highly recommend, especially for scents that are clean, very versatile in the space, but also they aren't too much of a diva in a space either. You want something that's going to give your events a little bit of polish, a little bit of elevation, but like I said, without taking over. These are the kind of candles you're looking for. This, it's not quite walking through the woods on a snowy evening, but it is definitely doing stuff around the house, preparing for a family gathering in the cooler months. It may not be a holiday gathering specifically, but certainly if you like to get together with family when it gets colder outside, that's what this scent reminds me of. You're doing a little freshening up around the house. You might open a window to let a little bit of fresh air in to break up some of that staleness from having the house shut up because of the cold. It does remind me of opening a window on a cool winter's day just to let a little breeze through, and you can smell the trees outside. And perhaps you have a simmer pot going on the stove, just a little something to scent the air, give it a little Christmas, give it a little spice, give it a little fruit, but not too much of anything. I love it. I love holiday leave. Now, ship's laundry is my favorite, but holiday leave is not a slouch either. So if you're interested in either of these candles, I will have details below for you to the extent that I can, because of course, no link for holiday leave. No link for ship's laundry. Holiday leave, there will be a link there. And if you have questions about the company, there will be information below so that you can reach out to them, learn more about what they do, and check out the rest of their scents, because I smelled quite a few of them. They had a full display, but I chose those two because they were my favorites, and I have not been disappointed at all. And now that I've reviewed them, I can finish using them up. Pray that they bring back ship's laundry and restock on holiday leave when it gets cold again, because when it gets cool again, I will be using that one up completely. Okay, that is it for me tonight. I'm actually filming this at night. Have a great day or evening whenever you're watching this, and take care. Bye-bye.